Hi guys, it's Machaela and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a Project Pan update. We are already in November. We have 2 months left of this project and I'm excited, but I can't believe we are already here. But let's just go ahead and get into it, and let's just start with a product that I clearly did not make enough progress on and that I'm not going to hit my goal on, but I'm just going to keep it in anyway, and that is the Benefit Brow. I used this a total of 7 times, which is not bad compared to the last like 3 or 4 months or so. So it's a little bit more usage, but still I don't really see a lot of progress in the pan. I see us getting lower, but we're definitely not going to see any pan anytime soon, and this is just a mini. But I've been enjoying reaching for it than I have previously. I've enjoyed it a lot more this month than I think I really have all year long. So I'm still enjoying using this. I'm going to hold out till the end of the year and see how many times I can actually use this. We hit our goal. I'm so excited. We hit our goal on the Milani Glow Hydrating Skin Tint. I used this exactly 100 times in the past, or this past month. My goal was to use it 5 times, and I did that, and I thought about using it more times, but I'm like, you know what, I'm going to take a break. I'm going to use other foundations in my collection, so I'm so excited. The mark isn't too low, but I started about with a little bit more than halfway of the tube, and I went down to almost the end. I feel like if I would have had this in, if I had like another 3 or 4 months left of using this, I probably could have finished this up, but at this point I'm not going to try. I want to use something else, but I did enjoy using this, and it makes a great everyday foundation for me. But stay tuned until the end because I will show you what I will be rolling in its place. And then we've got the Benefit Boing Hydrating Concealer. I use this a total of 11 times, which I feel like is pretty good. I am so close to being done. Honestly, I don't see why I can't finish it this next month. I know it'll be done by the end of the year, but I feel like we are so close to being done. It's not going to take long at all. We have the Milk Hydrating Primer. This one I am surprised by. So I twisted this up as much as it could be twisted up, and then when I realized I can't twist it up anymore, I thought, well, am I done? Do I try to take it out? What do I do? So I took it out and I put it in. This is just a little moisturizer container, but I used this a total of 10 times. I think I used it a total of like 5 or 6 times before I could no longer twist it up. So I do have some left. I thought I could finish it this month, but we're not quite there yet. But I'm almost 100% confident that I can finish it this month. So I'm hoping to have this rolled out by the end of this month or in the next update, and I'll roll something else in. I honestly don't think it's going to take me too much longer, so I think I'm going to make it a goal to really focus on this month and then roll something in for next month. And then next we've got the ColourPop. It's a Too Cool for School Super Shock Blush. It's like a cream blush. I used this a total of 8 times, which I'm happy about because I feel like I used it more this month than I have in the last few months. Yeah, 8 times, that's about what I hope to be my average. So I'm pretty happy with that. I wore this as much as I could. My goal was to alternate between, on days that I didn't use this, I wanted to use my lip gloss, and on days that I did not use my lip gloss, I wanted to use this. And of course there were days that I didn't use one or the other, but for the most part I use this about what I wanted to. So I feel like the progress is slow. I'm not going to finish this by the end of the year, but I do plan on keeping this in my project until it is officially rolled out. So that being said, I'm not mad at it. It being fall time, I feel like I'm more likely to reach for this than like in the summertime or even the springtime, but I'm happy to have it in. I'm happy with the progress this month, but eventually I do want to finish this. And then we've got the item that I use the most this month. I honestly don't feel like this is going to take me much longer, but it is the e.l.f. It's the baked highlighter. I panned the bronzer last year. It's the highlighter, and I use this a total of 24 times this month. There is not much left. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if I were to finish it completely this next month. Realistically, I think it'll probably end up being by December's update, depending on how much I use it. But I use this between setting my eyelids, using it as a highlighter. Every once in a while I would use it as an inner corner highlight, so I use this a lot this month. But again, I could finish this up, but I'm not banking on it. But if I did, that would be amazing. I would love to have this finished off. I am almost 100% confident that this will be completely emptied by the end of the year. This has been in my project since the beginning. Then we've got the item that I rolled in last month, and this is the ColourPop. It's just their lip gloss. It was like a Valentine's Day collection a few, was it? Yeah, it was like 1 or 2 years ago. I'm not quite sure, but it was with the You Are a Cutie collection. I used this a total of 7 times, and again, with the alternating between using one or the other, I really like that. When I was trying to put my project together originally, I wanted to get items that would pair together so I could wear them together. But now that I'm kind of doing this, like, I can't really wear these two together, but I can wear them on alternate days, which I actually kind of like, because it's like, I know for the most part, not every time, but for the most part, I'm going to be reaching for one or the other each day, and I feel like I did, and I'm actually enjoying using this. I feel like the gap I made was pretty good this month. Do I think I'll finish it by the end of the year? I feel like it's likely, but I'm not sure. I'm going to have to gauge the next month or two, but hopefully I would like to, but if not, I mean, if I don't, it's so late in the year, so I'm not overly worried about it, but it would be nice to be able to do that. And now for my roll-in. I am going to roll in another foundation. I am going to roll in a sample size foundation because I do want to finish this by the end of the year. And I got this in a birthday sample. Was it this year or last year? It was sometime. But it is the Bare Minerals Liquid Mineral Foundation. I'm like right at the end. I don't think my markings are correct because I had set it up to let it mark a few times, but I know there's not much left. I was honestly trying to finish it without project panning it, but now that we're so close to the end of the year and I have so little product left, I just want to finish it. So I believe that this marking is correct. I could be wrong, but that's kind of where I'm gauging it, just because I know there's not a lot left. I feel like I can have this completely finished by the end of the year. It might only take the next month, but hopefully by the end of the year, I'm pretty confident in that. So with that is everything I have in my project. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, my name is Machaela, and I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and I am a Christian woman. My goal on this platform is to share my love for Christ as well as my love for beauty, as they are, well, Christ is my #1 in my life, and beauty is just a hobby that I've always loved and has always been a part of who I am as an individual. So with that, if that is what you're into, hit that subscribe button, and if not, but you still want to stick around, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you. I'm also over on Instagram, so go check me out over there, and I will leave that information in the description box. But with that, I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.